Recent Android 11 Beta 3 arrives as OxygenOS 11 for OnePlus 8 Pro. Yesterday, OnePlus released HydrogenOS 11 based on Android 11 Beta 3 for OnePlus 8 Pro in China. Today, the company unveiled the same software in the form of OxygenOS 11 for global markets. Users with these two devices can download and install it to experience all the new features. OxygenOS 11 is a ditto of HydrogenOS 11 with Google Mobile Services, GMS. OnePlus did not even modify the changelog much. That means the new mobile software by the Chinese smartphone maker brings AOD, a much-awaited feature, revamped system apps, optimized dark mode, a new font, Zen Mode 2.0, and more. Here's the official changelog for OxygenOS 11 based on Android 11 Beta 3, aka Android 11 Developer Preview 3. New visual design, including weather app, launcher, gallery, notes. New layout for more comfortable and convenient one-handed operation. Always on display function, including 11 new clock styles. Live wallpaper that changes according to the time of day. New OnePlus Sans font that improves readability. Optimized dark mode, including the ability to automatically turn on and off and a shortcut in quick settings. 3 new Zen Mode themes, more timing options, and new group feature to let you experience Zen Mode with your friends. New gallery function that automatically creates a weekly story based on your photos and videos. With that out of the way, here are the possible issues on this software build. Some third-party applications may not function as expected. System stability issues. Network stability issues in some scenarios. Having said that, interested users can visit the source link provided at the end of this post for the tutorial on installing OxygenOS 11 on OnePlus 8 Pro as well as download links for builds. It is worth noting that this is the last Android 11 beta for these two OnePlus phones after Beta 2 in July and Beta 1 in June. We expect the brand to release OxygenOS Open Beta for these phones in the coming days, followed by Android 11 stable update.